Explorers! Welcome back to the Treehouse.
Last time we learned what conflict is.
And today, we're going to figure out how to solve problems.
Because problems don't have to stay problems. We can solve them together.
Hey, I was using that. But I want to turn.
Looks like they have a problem.
What could they do first?
Maybe pause.
Now they can talk it out.
I was still playing with it. I just really want to turn.
Good job using words.
Now let's listen.
Now, how can they solve it?
We can take turns. Okay, you go first, then me.
They did it!
They solved their problem together.
Let's remember.
Pause.
Talk.
Listen.
And solve. You've got this, explorers.
Next time, you'll get to try it too.
See you in the treehouse.